sing, ein Prosit. For Germany, yes, let's get stand and sing, ein Prosit. Ein Prosit, ein Prosit. Stand and sing, ein Prosit. For German Christians, yes.
Absolutely fantastic. Alex Meixner, and you are here throughout the run, you and your band. How many guys are in the band?
There are 4 of us in the band. We have a gentleman that is a Polish, Mexican, Lithuanian, Chinese, Navajo Indian American.
There we go.